Okay, in today's class, we are going to understand Java packages. Okay, Java packages. All see all these classes, as I told you, that all these classes are being conducted under my Lakshmi Narayan Krishna Foundation on behalf of my father and mother. My mother is Narayanamma and my father is Krishnaya. So to memorize my parents, my mother and father, Narayanamma and Krishnaya. So I have started a foundation, Lakshmi Narayan Krishna Foundation, since it is working since 2023 14 January. Okay. So under this platform, I am running different services. One is that coding classes and to support the marriage allowances and to enhance the astrology skills in bride and bridegroom and parents also, and coding classes thrice of a week, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Three classes will be conducted in June. Okay. So in today's class, we will try to understand Java packages. Okay. So in not only in any language, what happens, if you have written somewhat predefined code, pre-written code, so that will be stored in a file. Generally, generally, if you have written the code, generally if you have written the code, that code can be stored as a file. Okay, so so many files will be packed. Okay, like a folder. So many files. File is nothing but some line of code written and stored as a file. And then after so many files, if you have stored under a folder, okay, now that is called one package. That is called one package in Java. In Python, it is called module. Okay, so module means one file. So many files will be collected and stored as a folder. So somewhere you can understand them as directory also. So in MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, I hope that you might have studied about directories. Directory is like a package. So it may have so many folders. Within that folder, so many classes. Means so many files will be there. Like in Java, package means a package in Java will be used to group related classes. So if you in Java, if you want to group so many classes which are same, they have same relation, means they are, the classes will be used for one single purpose, like taking input for output. Okay, like that. So package in Java is used to group related classes. Okay, suppose a folder in a file directory. So in Java, we use packages to avoid name conflicts, because once you have written the code, that is to be stored as a file. So many files are part of a package. So to overcome the conflict, so this file name is what, which purpose it is being used, like that every file has must have a name, and so many files, once they are grouped, okay, in a package, that package must have a name. So many packages may have like that work. And to write better maintainable code, okay, packages generally they are divided into two categories. One is that built-in packages. Built-in packages, they come with the programming language. Means whomever have designed that programming language, so that programming language will be equipped with a lot of libraries, maybe called somewhere libraries, somewhere packages. In Python they are called modules. Okay, so built-in packages, simply you understand that predefined code, pre-written code. and that suppose pre-written code in Python, what you know, print is a function in Python to display the output. Okay, so in Java it is system.out.println. That command will be used to get the display on the screen. Okay, so here that println method, system.out.println, that is a method which will be used to display the output. So here you are using that method. Okay, but within that method so much of code was written for the display of on the screen. So who has written that code? You have not written the code. As a you are a user, but you are using that method in Python, print function, in Java print ln method. Ln means new line, otherwise print method. Ln print method, print line method. Difference is what? Print ln method will provide new line. If you don't want to provide new lines, simply you write print method. Okay, here print method you are using, behind of that the code written, you don't know how many lines of code was written. That is called predefined code. So here packages two types, built-in packages. So pre pre means before the code was written and stored as a file. Such type of so many files are packaged. And user defined packages, you can create your own package. Means if you have written code and that code was stored as a file, and like that so many files you have stored, and one package was created, that package may have so many files. Okay, like that. So built-in packages in Java. So Java API is a library. API means application programming interface, is a library of pre-written classes. Okay, Java API has so many libraries. Every library has so many classes. Under every class, so many methods. Okay, so many methods, so many attributes. So within that we can use, they are free to use for ourselves. So within our Java development environment, JDE, so whenever you started to write the coding in the Java, so that moment you can use all these built-in packages. Suppose for your scanner class, suppose scanner class will be used to take input from the user. Okay, so if you want to take input from the user, you need to import the scanner class. So in not only in Java, in every language, so many predefined classes and their methods, we can import them. Okay, for our easy code, for our easy code purpose. If you import so many by the help of so many libraries, you can write the code very easily. Okay, now come to the point. So that library contains components of managing input, database programming, and much more. So whatever as per your requirement, so you need to import that library as per your requirement. Okay, so if you want to take input from the user, you need to take scanner class import. Okay, now every library is divided into packages and classes. As I told you that one package may have so many classes. Within that class again, some every class may have so many methods. Okay, now let us see one simple import keyword. By that import keyword, how a package will be imported, otherwise part of that package, what you know, as I told you that every package may have so many classes. If you want to import particular class, you need to write the code like this: import package package name dot class. Okay, suppose if I want to download scanner class, scanner class is part of utility package.